Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Subaru's infotainment system, especially in models with Starlink from 2016 onwards? This blank screen with an exclamation point shows the common issue you might encounter. These issues often arise from software glitches or hardware hiccups in the Starlink system. Subaru has addressed many of these problems with over-the-air updates and recalls. A quick fix you can try is a hard reset, which reboots the system without losing your data. Persistent problems may need a software update or, in older models, hardware replacement. First, ensure your car is in park with the ignition on, but the engine off. Second, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. Alternatively, for models from 2020 and newer, turn the physical volume knob clockwise 3 times while holding the power button. Fourth, wait 1 to 2 minutes for the system to reboot completely. If the issue continues after the reset, check for available software updates through the Starlink app. Contact Subaru support for remote diagnostics. For older models, a dealership visit may be necessary for hardware checks covered under Subaru's Starlink Reliability Initiative.